How many incomplete goals do you currently have on your agenda? If you're anything like the vast majority of us, then chances are that you have hundreds of projects that you started and never completed. You've probably thought to yourself, I think I just have to quit and stop trying to accomplish dreams that will never happen. Or maybe you just think that you are too old, or too young, or you don't have the money, or the expertise to make your dreams happen. But I'm here to tell you that the reason you don't achieve your dreams has nothing to do with them being unreachable. The problem is you still don't know how to choose good goals and set a proper action plan. Accomplishing goals is about strategy. It is about making a cognitive shift to change the way you're thinking. And it's about being smart about how to reach each goal. It's also about knowing how to choose your goals and even how to phrase them. Most of us have goals for our relationships, goals for our fitness, goals for our careers, and goals for travel, but still don't know how to set them. So ironically, the first goal you should focus on is the goal of setting goals. And until now, you've probably been doing it all wrong. With proper goal setting, you'll be able to make absolutely anything happen. Learning how to set good goals is the key to unlocking pretty much everything you could want from life, because it will allow you to then accomplish a huge range of other goals. Anything you haven't accomplished until now, you will be able to make it happen with proper goal setting. To make it easy to learn about the best methods for setting good goals, I put together a step-by-step guide that will show you exactly how it's done. Introducing the guide to show you how to stop making excuses and achieve your goals. This is a complete guide that will teach you how to choose and write goals effectively, and how to make sure you stick with your goals and never give up. No stones are left unturned when you get your hands on this now. You'll be adept at setting and accomplishing any goal. And at the same time, you'll have powerful strategies for improving your relationships, your fitness, your career, and more. I've become a complete expert at setting and accomplishing any goal, and you'll get everything you need inside to do the same. Here's just a quick preview of what you'll discover inside. While learning how to set goals properly is arguably the most powerful skill that you can possibly learn. How can a goal be wrong? What does a good goal look like? How might you phrase the same objective in a manner that will increase your chances of success? How to formulate your goals? What is the first and most important step in goal setting? What is the best way to get an idea of what you want from life? How do you analyze the gulf between real life and your dream future, and then try and figure the best way to bridge that gulf? How do you formulate a plan on the basis of your current situation, where you want to be, and what options you have available to you? How do you phrase your goals in a way that you can focus on them every day or week? Which are the 2 things that have been preventing you from achieving your goals? How to know if you're procrastinating. The fear-setting technique. How to apply the good goal-setting principles to getting into awesome shape. Some ways to apply the good goal-setting principles to making progress in your career. The path of least resistance. The fail-fast model. How to make your relationship goals happen. Creating a proven action plan for dating. How to make your travel goals happen. Alternative travel strategies. Plus, a whole lot more. This is the easiest way to actually live the life of your dreams. That sounds like exactly what you want, but maybe your question is, how much? If you're going to hire a goal-setting expert to show you how to make things happen in your life, you could easily find yourself investing hundreds of dollars in this sort of coaching. In fact, many people invest thousands of dollars to go on retreats and attend seminars that reveal how to identify the direction you want in your life and how to set the proper goals to get there. But you don't have to invest anywhere near that today, and it just keeps getting better. When you make the wise decision to grab this today, you'll also get these fast action bonuses. Fast action bonus number 1, Make It Happen cheat sheet, valued at $27. This cheat sheet is a handy checklist that makes it easy to get started on setting up good goals and making things happen. It breaks up the entire guide into easy to follow steps so that you can make sure you have all the highlights of everything covered inside right at your fingertips. This makes it easy to track your progress and stay focused every step of the way. Fast action bonus number 2, Make It Happen mind map, valued at $17. Some people learn better by looking at a mind map. This mind map gives you an overview of everything covered inside the guide. You can also print it out for quick reference anytime you need it. Fast action bonus number 3, Make It Happen resource guide, valued at $17. The resource guide gives you a quick point of reference to all of the resources mentioned throughout the guide. This makes it easy to plug in and stick with setting good goals and achieve every single one of them. Try this guide on my dime. There's no risk. There are a lot of people that claim to offer a solution to achieving every one of your goals, even the toughest ones. So it's understandable if you're a little skeptical. I can keep telling you just how great my guide is, but you really need to go through it and see for yourself what it's all about to know if it's for you. That's why I'm going to give you a full 30 days to decide if this is for you. If for any reason or no reason at all you're not 100% satisfied with what's inside, simply send me an email and I'll refund you every penny of your tiny investment. No questions asked. Click the button below now to lock in your whopping discount and get instant access. Thank you so much for taking the time to take a look at this extremely limited offer that has the potential to help you set good goals and achieve every one of them each day of your life. I'll see you on the inside.